Hello everyone, welcome to IMS Gate Academy. Here is a job update from the Navratna PSU, which is NALCO. NALCO is recruiting for the graduate engineer trainees through the GATE 2022. So here they are recruiting for the different branches. They are recruiting for the mechanical, electrical, instrumentation, metrology, chemical, mining, civil and chemistry. So the number of posts are here. In mechanical, number of posts are 58, in electrical 41, in instrumentation 32, metrology 14, chemical 14, mining 10, and in chemistry, mining 10, in chemistry it is 13, and in civil it is 7. So the total number of posts are 189. Dear students, number of posts are 189. Of classification of these 189 posts are given here, which is already given in the detailed advertisement, and the link of this detailed advertisement is already attached in the description box of this video. So other than this, the essential qualification is for these posts, the essential qualification is there are only two things required. First, you should have a valid BTech or a regular BTech degree. Here it is given full-time regular bachelor degree in engineering or technology with not less than 65% marks. Second thing, you should have a valid GATE 2022 scorecard. So they are recruiting on these two bases only, and direct personal interview. They will call for the direct personal interview. So let me tell you about the selection process. What is the selection process? Here the selection process for the personal interview is NALCO will be utilizing graduate aptitude test in engineering 2022, means GATE 2022 marks. Okay, recruitment of the graduate engineer trainees. So they will be the above disciplines. If you are from the above given branches, you can approach, and they will call you directly, shortlist according to your marks. They will shortlist you, and they will call you for the personal interview. Other than this, the age limit, upper age limit is 30 years as on 11th of the September 2022. Okay, so here the shortlisted candidate will be called for the interview, and the basic selection process is here the weightage is given. The final selection process is based on the two things, your GATE scorecard and the personal interview. The weightage of GATE marks will be 90% and the personal interview weightage will be 10%. So these will make your selection process final. And here the compensation packages, they will give you starting basic of rupees 40,000 on the pay scale of 40,000 to 1,40,000 during this pay scale. And here the placement can be anyone, anywhere in the India, NALCO in India or abroad. It's especially given NALCO in India or abroad, or any of the subsidiaries, joint venture or business associates of NALCO. So other than this, the reservation and relaxation is given to you. For the more and more detailed notification, you can information, you can go through the notification, and here they will sign a bond also. Service agreement bond will be there. Medical fitness. What is the application fee? If you are from the general, OBC or EWS candidate, then the selection process fee will be rupees 500, and for the other candidates including departmental candidates are required to pay rupees 100. So you can go through the internet banking account or credit card or debit card. And here how to submit the fee, how to apply. Here only 4 steps you have to follow. First, you have to go on the career page of NALCO at www.nalcoindia.com. So this link is already given in the description box. Second, read the complete advertisement carefully to be sure about the eligibility. If you are eligible for the post, then you can approach. The candidates have click apply now, and thereafter have to register themselves with the correct credentials. The candidates shall fill up the online application form with required details and proceed step by step. Okay, and after that you have to make the payment, and you can do the payment, pay application fee through the SBI Collect, and you can go through the payment process. Most important thing is the last date of this advertisement, and the closing date is, the general instructions are given, you can follow. The important dates, the online application submission will be start from the 11th of the August 2022, which is tomorrow, 11:30 a.m. it will start, and the last date of submission of online application is 11th of the September 2022 at 5:30 p.m. So you can go through the website for more details. If you think you are eligible, then you can go through this post. Okay guys, thank you.